Well, I mean, these guys, these phone companies. Oh, look at that, it's them. These phone companies are making deals, giving you phones. That's really unbelievable for a lot of semiconductor companies. Of course, it's good for Apple. I think when I look at Snap and I look at Twitter, do you think they're better than Facebook and Alphabet and Amazon as a way to reach people? Oh, please. So I think that Netflix was the weak sister of the group. But you can't call it FANG. But Microsoft obviously is going to deliver great number 2, or else everybody wouldn't just constantly be saying it's fabulous. So big cap tech's in charge. And the question is whether you own a lot of big cap or whether you just or own a little big cap. But you got to own it. You can't just do nothing but own HCA and Honeywell.
But
That's a couple of H's for you.
What's really on the line, though, Jim, if you consider the fact that, breadth in the market has certainly narrowed, these stocks have started to pick up a lot more of the weight. That means a lot more pressure is on these earnings reports. And let's not forget, Jim, what happened last quarter. These companies absolutely knocked the cover off the ball. Home run after home run after home run. And what the stocks do? You remember what the stocks did, though? They went down. Most of them went down.
No, I know. No, that's a good call. I don't like stocks coming in hot. I mean, remember, the bank stocks got a little bit of a sell-off, so they were okay. But it may depend that day about what the 10-year's doing. The 10-year's still in charge for a lot of people. By the way, we're seeing some industrials not doing as well as they should. I liked Honeywell's quarter, but oh, no, they got to sell that. And Kimberly I didn't like because Kimberly-Clark, they had some raw costs that were disappointing. And they also had a slowdown in their top line. So that was pretty much everything bad that you could possibly ask for. But look, can we just go and can we go to Boston Beer for a second? Because it's very unusual to see a stock, basically one of the great head and shoulders patterns of all time, by the way, just completely disappoint at a level where the analysts are saying, why did you lead us on? Why did you tell us things were good? How could you not have known? This is one of those that at one point they would have done a pre-announcement. It was a conference call, an unreal conference call. It was more of we have never been sandbagged like this, partner. Unbelievable. I don't know when that stock's ever going to regain its price earnings multiple, because that was maybe of the year the worst quarter that I've seen.
Wow. Look at the shares down more than 20%.
It may not be
so
done.
They don't get to a... Oh, I was just going to ask you, does it get to a level where you think it begins to look good and you think it's like falling knife territory?
Well, yeah, if you turn it upside down, it'll be at a level that's good. Can you turn that chart upside down so we get a good look at how Boston Beer, where I think it's going to bottom? I mean, when you have analysts just openly calling the guys on the call as clueless, it is very difficult to oh, look at that great chart. Yeah, it stops right here. You don't need a chartist to tell which way the wind blows. So, I mean, I think that some of the industrials are giving up the ghost, and they will be part of Mike Wilson's rolling analysis. But I do think that we're getting enough good quarters that we shouldn't get negative.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.